Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn off sleep mode on Windows 11. So let's jump right in. First, power on your computer and wait for it to completely load up. Make sure your Windows 11 desktop is fully ready before moving forward, as this ensures all the system settings are properly accessible. Once your PC is ready, you'll want to start by opening the Windows Start menu. You'll find this located in your taskbar at the bottom of your screen. Click on the Start menu icon to open it up. When the menu appears, you'll see a search bar near the bottom. Go ahead and type Settings into this search bar. From the search results that appear, click on the Settings option with the gear icon next to it. This is your gateway to all the important system configurations on your computer. After clicking on Settings, a new window will open showing you various configuration options. From the list of categories displayed, locate and click on System. This section contains all the core settings related to your computer's hardware and performance, including display, sound, notifications, and importantly, power management. Now take a look at the left side navigation panel within your system settings. You'll see several options listed there. Look for Power and Sleep and click on it. This will open up the power and sleep settings for your Windows PC, where you can control how and when your computer enters different power states. From here, scroll down until you see the sleep section. Under this section, you'll notice a drop-down menu that shows different time intervals. These options determine how long your computer stays idle before automatically entering sleep mode. You might see options like 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, or 1 hour. To completely turn off sleep mode and prevent your computer from going to sleep when idle, simply click on the drop-down menu and select Never. This tells Windows 11 to keep your computer running indefinitely without entering sleep mode, no matter how long it sits idle. And that's it. You've successfully turned off sleep mode on your Windows 11 computer, and now your PC will stay awake until you manually shut it down or put it to sleep. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.